Please welcome Amar Babu.
Good morning. I know this is the last session before coffee or tea. Surely you can get a little more energy. Good morning. Wonderful. You know, before I start, Ken knows this, that I had a choice of being in Marabella, Spain for another event or in Hong Kong at the same time. And of course, I chose Hong Kong, right? For two reasons. One, this is the first tech world that we are doing in Hong Kong. How can I miss it? Of course I have to be here. The second is a personal bribe that Ken always gives me when I'm in town. He feeds me egg tart, as if I don't look small enough. It's the most delicious thing that I think ever exists. Amazing stuff. Don't you all agree? Yeah, wonderful. From egg tart, let me talk about how to put AI at your fingertips. We need some innovation in egg tarts, by the way. We need to make it less calories so that we can eat a little bit more. What I'm going to talk to you today is something that you might not have seen so far, which is a little surprising in a Lenovo presentation, actually. I'm going to talk to you about the devices that we bring to all of you and what we are very well known for. Today, there are multiple trends that are driving this transformation. You've heard a lot about AI and how, together with all the different parts of Lenovo, we are bringing AI-ready solutions to you. Now, from a devices perspective, there are a few trends that enable this transformation. The first is multi-device collaboration. It's not just about the PC, it's not just about the infrastructure that you heard Dale, it's about the phone, it's about the pocket-to-cloud innovation that we need to bring with new innovative form factors, coupled with the right sustainability initiatives. One key aspect of this is how to make your data more secure. Because especially when we talk about AI, we are talking about data. There's a lot of data on the cloud, there's a lot of data on your personal device. How do we make sure that it is secure? And how do we tie all of this together with services? And put all of this to give true AI-driven experiences. We have built an AI-ready pocket-to-cloud offering to better serve all of you, our customers, and in driving this transformation. You heard Dale talk about the infrastructure piece at the edge, how we are actually powering the infrastructure that allows these large language models, generative AI that you see today. But it's not just about the infrastructure. It's about then breaking it down and bringing it at an enterprise level. How can we build the same capabilities at an enterprise level within a private cloud infrastructure? And then bringing it further down, how can we bring those capabilities to your personal device, where your device understands you better, and even bring more of these experiences onto the phone? That's where we talk about the pocket, literally, to the cloud offering to enable us to serve you better. So there are a lot of products that we're coming in. What you're seeing on the screen is two of our newest products, our ThinkPad X1 Carbon and 2-in-1. And by the way, these devices are available at the showcase. Please make sure that you go have a look at them. These are an example or just a sample of what we are offering. We have the widest portfolio of these devices, right from the edge. And as you look at these devices, if you could just give me a minute, please. I need to grab some water. Too much egg tart this morning. Sorry about that. Yep. So we have a very wide range of PCs, including, of course, AI PCs. So make sure that, as I said, you check it out at the booth. These generative AI are actually driving a huge amount of innovation in devices. Now, there is something that is a little different. It's, you will ask me saying, what is so different about an AI PC? How is it different from an existing PC? One of the key things that's different is something called a neural processing unit. Now, all of you have heard of CPU, you've heard of GPU. Now there's something called an NPU. Now, as you put all of this together, this allows the device to conduct trillions of operations per second, significantly enhancing the capability of the device. And that, coupled with the services, coupled with the data management capability, allows us to bring the power of generative AI to a PC. And we are going to bring this across our entire portfolio here. I mean, you can see some examples. We are talking about of course, our phones. We are talking about our gaming machines. We are talking about workstations. We are talking about AR, VR devices. All of these will have these capabilities built in. Now, in addition to this, there's also the whole concept of hybrid AI. What's a hybrid AI? We've heard, all of you know about the generative AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, etc., etc. That's today quite popular. But that's at the cloud. That is on cloud-based data. Imagine bringing the power of that to your PC, which is trained on your data. So it actually understands you, the machine understands you maybe even better than yourself, almost creating a digital twin. But at the same time, working on the data and keeping it secure at the local level. And combining it with the power that we have on the cloud level. This will change the entire digital experience. And it will impact every sector, every part of our business. These capabilities, when you put it together, build this whole hybrid AI solution. And that's what we are bringing and enabling through our range of devices, range of infrastructure devices, and all the solutions and services that you have just seen. What can you then expect? What does this era of AI mean for each of you? First, we will bring you devices which are more personal, that understand you better. The next evolution of AI PCs would be a blend of client, edge, and cloud technologies. And these will allow you to drive a significantly higher level of productivity. There'll be a lot more responsiveness, the latencies will come down, but at the same time making sure that what you do not want to share on the cloud, you don't share. It is on your PC and it is secure. So you are able to actually have an always on, always connected, powerful experience without compromising on the security of your personal data. And that's the device portfolio that we are innovating and we have ready today. We have launched some of these products, and as you go, we're just at the beginning of this journey towards really accelerating and bringing AI, an entire hybrid AI model, literally, as I said, from the pocket to the cloud. This is our commitment to you. How do we bring these technology solutions and services and be able to accelerate each of your AI journey? And you heard of the speakers talk earlier today. You heard Ken talk about the trusted advisor and the partner. And we believe we have a comprehensive range of solutions. However, we can't do this alone. We will work with partners. We are working with partners. And there was a great video that showed the range of partnership that we have. As we bring devices, our partners, some of our vendors, some of our software developers, all add to bring in true solutions that make AI a reality. And one of our trusted tech partners, and I'm delighted to invite on stage, who has worked very closely with us, please welcome Kali Chan, MD for Hong Kong and Macau, Microsoft. Can I have you on stage, Kali?
Amar, thanks so much. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you very much for joining us on stage, Kali.
Yes, yeah. Today, indeed, I'm very exciting too. This morning, you heard a lot about AI. Hong Kong, right now, we're in the age of AI. Amar, do you mind help me to flip the next page? Yeah. In Hong Kong, 71% of the company, indeed, are already trying to use AI. Today is a business event. if you ask me, then in a commercial world, we is in the age of AI. I would correct it a bit. We're in the age of co-pilot. What co-pilot means? Co-pilot actually is our interface, which allow us to access our company data together with public data with enterprise-grade security and privacy. Microsoft, we launched Copilot, M365 Copilot last year. We interview the customer, they're testing our Copilot. 70% of them say that can help them to improve productivity. 68% say that actually also help them to improve the quality of work. Today, we're in the age of AI. We understand for us, we need a new business model so as to stay competitive, so as to grow. And we keep on telling our team, we keep on telling them that you need a new ways of working. Try to imagine. It is impossible they wake up in the morning, immediately have a new ways of working. It is our responsibility to equip ourselves, to equip them, an AI companion, so that really they can be more effective, higher qualities. We have done a survey to interview the people that are testing Copilot. This is what they're looking for. I think this morning, we already say talent is one of the critical success factors. It is important for us to attract talent, to retain talent. It's quite common that companies have different means to energize our talent. For example, give them free lunch. Then we ask them.
Give them a free egg tart.
Okay, a free lunch with egg tart. Then we ask them, you prefer Copilot or a monthly free lunch with egg tart? 88% say, I prefer Copilot. Even though for a company, give them weekly free lunch. 77% still say, I prefer Copilot. Then that means if you want to attract your talent, if you want them to have new ways of working, Copilot indeed is the way to go. Amit, Microsoft and Lenovo have partnership. I know that indeed we do work together on something, how we can help our company or how our customer to have Copilot.
So, I'm delighted, Callie, that you're on stage when today I'm really pleased to announce not one, not two, but 3 practices along with Microsoft. The first one that we are announcing is our partnership with Microsoft globally to accelerate the adoption of Microsoft Copilot at businesses around the world with Lenovo services. So you heard Linda talk about the Lenovo's Care of One, a hyper-personalized experience platform. What we're going to do is combine the power of the Care of One, which actually combines the power of our AI infrastructure, AI PCs, with our intelligence, along with Copilot. So together, we will actually do a persona identification, configure the right kind of solution, so that every employee gets a hyper-personalized support model. And a happy employee means more profit, more business. So we are very delighted that we are able to launch this with Microsoft today.
Great.
The second one that we are talking about is a Copilot. You heard Ted talk about the LPS capabilities. LPS, as you know, is our #1 system integrator in Hong Kong and has played a huge role in piloting a lot of AI-enhanced projects to make Hong Kong a smarter city. And we are very thrilled that we are going to be launching a Copilot practice in LPS that looks at the entire sales management cycle. Do you think it can make a difference for us here in Hong Kong, Kelly, together?
Definitely, I'm confident because I keep on saying that we need to equip our team, our AI companion, and this way definitely can be one of the enabler to make this happen. Wow, we are very passionate about AI. Amar, I told you that this period of time, I talk a lot with the CEO. Besides AI for growth, for CEO, there's another topic on top of their mind which keep them awake. the topic of cybersecurity. Let me share you some data. Every second can have 4,000 password attack. And hacker only takes 72 minutes to hack the data. Then of course a company may say, okay, let me hire more security expert. But the fact is, there's a 3.5 million shortage of security experts. Then that means this is an area I think we need to see how we can help them so that they can have a peace of mind and focus to use AI for growth. Amar, what we can do?
Perfect timing here, Kali. And that's where we have our third announcement for the day, where as part of our Copilot practice that we are partnering with Microsoft to offer cyber resiliency as a service and take actions to ensure a secure business environment that should be a top priority for all our business leaders. So really, I think it's great. The partnership is really what brings this to life. To me, as we look at enabling three things that I talked about, how do we combine care of one pilot along with Copilot, care of one along with Copilot to provide a hyper-personalized employee experience, our Copilot practice with LPS, and cyber resiliency as a service. All three things, I think together we would be able to address our customers' needs. Thank you very much for joining us on stage here, Kelly.
Thanks, Amar. Both of us are passionate about Hong Kong, passionate about AI. We are definitely working together to enable all of you to become the winner in the age of AI, in the age of Copilot. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.